What's up, guys? How you guys doing? So today, this is what I get for going fishing. I was fishing earlier. I'm gonna post that video first. But see my truck right here? And see the hood's up? Yeah, cause I just backed up from right there, up on a kayak, and I was backing up because I got the shore motor and stuff in the back, and I felt like carrying it. Yeah, cause I guess I'm that lazy. But anyways, so I turned the truck off and it started acting like it wanted to start again when the key was out. So, oh great, the freaking sail noise acting up. So I came over here with tools to take the one of the cables off, as you see, right there. Oh, and then see this cable right here? It's hot. I put my finger on it anyways. See how it's all nice right here? But then look. Do you guys see that? Like, really? That's awesome. Well, there's a 25-year-old truck for you. Freaking with a old owner. The old owner didn't know how to take care of it. Oh, better yet, well, I thought it was all over. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see. You see the cable right there? The black one? Yeah, if you look up where it connects, it's burnt too. There's only a couple ground wires that I know of. It could be my dad said it's probably a loose wire. But anyway, guys, we're gonna start this vlog off. Well, I guess I already started it. But I'm gonna sit here and whatever, everybody. They might be a little mad. Keep the hood up just so everybody knows that it's broke down. I doubt anybody wants a 25-year-old motor anyways. And I doubt anybody will even steal it. But guys, we're gonna go out on the lake here. Ah, shit, my tire. Look at that. So I'll go out to the island, go fishing, have fun, then come back, take the wires off, go to the store and go get some new ones. But I don't know what else to do. I don't know what would be wrong with that. Oh my fucking god, really? Of course, then on trolling mode, just fell on my thumb. Fun. I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna put battery on. I'll take you guys with me for this one. This is so fun. I get to keep my truck here all damn day. You know, I'm not even going fishing. I'm going to the island. Just for fun. Shit, my phone! Ha! Of course. Guys. Don't worry, it didn't fall in the water. Oh wait, my phone already fell in the damn water today. Man. Let's hope this ain't gonna explode, that'll be fun. Okay. So, today, I got to go and get this thing all working. Okay, oh good, that was a good thing today. And then my truck starts acting up and everything else. So, on, piece of shit. Holy shit. Okay, let's load this just a little bit. That's good enough all the way down. Yeah, okay. Yes. She's moving though. Oh yeah, I forgot to close my day on. Whatchamacallit? My tailgate. Oh, we having fun now. Come on, goddammit. It's faster going backwards. I'm actually gonna do that. I'm gonna drive backwards. Just for a little fun. It's going fast backwards. But I'm going the wrong way, it's not freaking turning. Alright, we're gonna turn back around. Turn the motor back around. Maybe. You know, this is quite fun. Yeah, we're going to. Oh, almost fell. Full speed ahead. Man, if this thing charges all the way, it actually goes pretty fast. I like that. Oh guys, my day's going just as good as always. As always. Not really. Some days are the best days I could ever have. And then some days are like this. And what the fuck are the geese still here for? Last time I almost got attacked by these damn things. Hopefully I feel myself getting attacked. Then I'll post that and hopefully get a lot of likes. I ain't dipping today because I forgot my dip at home. Yay! Now I was going to actually go drive back and get it. But then this happened. My cables got bumped. So fun. There's so much geese over here. I'm gonna go swimming. I'm gonna show you guys my rope swing, I guess. Man, this thing actually tones pretty good. You know, someone said I was lucky. I was like, now how is that? Oh. Well, I'm gonna actually let you guys go. I'm gonna give you guys back.